It's so shiny!
Careful. Its energy keeps the sky sparkling.
Did it just crack?
Something's wrong. Very wrong.
The crystal's magic was unraveling.
Even my magic feels weaker!
We must find what cracked it. Fast.
I didn't even touch it.
Ow! I was fixing the lights!
Play back the memory shimmer.
Wait, who was that blur?
This crack wasn't from a paw or claw.
You don't trust mist, huh?
No one leaves until the truth is clear.
Let's see what really happened.
Moments before the crack,
Oops, that spark wasn't mine.
It was a surge, unintentional.
So it was an accident.
I was only fixing the fuse.
Even machines can misbehave.
Moonlight mend.
The sparkles return.
and the sky sparkled once more.
No more dark nights for Sparkle?
I glow with happiness.
Maybe I'll stick to moonlight concerts.
Another mystery, beautifully solved.
A reminder, even Sparkle needs care.
From this dazzling team.